Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out what's going on with the stock market. Today Fed told to Congress that interest rate will be raised, and it will be raised higher than was expected before. And market didn't like that news. Looks like Fed wants to crash the market. We'll see. I don't think market will crash at this point, but it will crash later this year when recession will start. Fed will raise rate and will pause. That's the plan. When the Fed will stop raising rate and will pause, market will move up. But when something crashed, when something will crash and Fed will start to cut rate, market will crash also. That will be trigger. Let's move to trading view. And let's see what's going on. Yeah, it's a red day for USA market. SPY minus 1.5%, S&P minus 1.5%, Dow Jones 1.7, 1.70, almost 5, Nasdaq 1.25, minus 1.25. Negative day for USA and looks like for Asia also in Europe. Let's move to charts and let's see what's going on. Let me briefly mention about my setup before I do review. I'm using 4 indicators: moving averages, MACD indicator, RSI, and awesome oscillator. Moving averages, this line shows the value in color. White line is MA 200, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, green line MA 5. MACD indicator green line, red line signal line, RSI indicator green line, red line signal line, awesome oscillator green is a bullish, red is a bearish. Very simple, but very powerful. And it's not easy because of your emotions involved and discipline. Let's start USA dollar DXY. DXY for daily time frame. It was bearish before, and suddenly today huge move, almost 1.25 on dollar. It's a very large move. The same move we observed recently. It was over here, right, on the previous year in September. Large moves. Yeah, here it was negative and suddenly it moved to positive. Let's move back, and yeah, it moved from the negative direction, from bearish direction to positive, to bullish direction. MA5 did bullish crossover, MA5 did bullish crossover, MACD did bullish crossover, RSI did bullish crossover, awesome oscillator still red. It's a bullish switch and it's a bearish for indexes, right? We'll see how it will continue. Will it continue to raise tomorrow? But today it was bullish day for dollar and bearish for indexes, right? Let's move to Qs. MA5 was bullish, red bar for today for Qs. For last 2 days it's 2 red bars. MA5 still above MA10, still kind of bullish signal. It left gap below. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator green. Looks like 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators bearish, and it's not what we like, right? We follow when all indicators align in the same direction. When some 50, in this case, it's 50-50 mode, it's not fully confirmed direction. It's a mixed direction. We are using daily time frame and 4 hours time frame for swing trading. Let's check on 4 hours time frame what's going on. Let's see daily. Volume was about the average, Volume is strong. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours last 3 bars red. MACD still bullish, RSI bearish, oscillator green bullish, MA5 bullish. Still bullish trend on 4 hours time frame. Market so far didn't change direction, it moved. Yeah, so far no full confirmation, still bullish. On 3 indicators, still bullish. On 1 hour time frame, it changed direction from bullish to bearish. MA5 did bearish crossover over all moving averages line except 50. Looks like it stopped at MA50 level. We still have gap below. It definitely will close this gap. We'll see, maybe it will bounce from 50. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, oscillator. All indicators bearish on 1 hour time frame. On 4 hours and daily, it's still kind of 50-50 positive and negative mode. Let's move to VXN. VXN volatility index plus 1.65%. It is bullish. It means bearish for Qs. Actually, yeah, on the charts, all indicators still bearish. It was positive day, but all indicators still bearish. It's bullish for Qs. On daily time frame, let's move to SPY. SPY daily. SPY daily, huge red bar. Huge red bar. It closed before like 2 days ago, right? It removed this bar and connected to MA50. It stopped at MA50 level. We'll see if MA50 will be resistant or will be support in this case, because 20 was resistant and MA50 can be support. We'll see if it's going to retest again MA200 and this major trend line. This major trend line from the top of the market, from the started 14 months ago. Volume was strong. Volume was strong today. Bearish trend on all indicators except oscillator. Actually, too. My moving averages bullish, still bullish. MA5 still about 10. And oscillator bullish. MACD and RSI bearish. 50-50 mode on daily time frame. Similar like Qs. 4 hours time frame. Volume is above average. Bullish, yeah, strong volume. Last bar closed below MA5, below 55, 10 and 20, and it stopped at MA100. We'll see. You see, MA100 was very strong support before. We'll see if it's going to be strong before. It will continue to be strong support line, or it will close below and move to MA200 and major trend line. Bearish crossover on the RSI, also oscillator bearish. Yeah, MACD is still bullish. 2 indicators again, bearish and bullish. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour is fully confirmed bearish direction. Yesterday it was bullish direction, today it was bearish direction. It changed direction very quickly. If I did bearish crossover, last bar closed below all moving averages, like 2 indecision bars. Bearish trend on MACD, on RSI and oscillator. Bearish on all indicators. On 1 hour time frame. Let's check VIX volatility index plus 5.25%. It is bullish. Positive day, but still on indicators, still bearish. Only RSI bullish, MACD, oscillator and moving averages still bearish trend. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily. Dow Jones daily, very huge red bar. It it was rejected from MA20. MA20 did bearish crossover over 50. MA5 still did bullish crossover over 10. Still about 10. Still kind of, yeah, in a bullish trend. Still in the bullish trend. MACD was trying to do bullish crossover, but it didn't confirm. RSI bearish, MACD bearish. Two indicators, moving averages and awesome oscillator still bullish. Mixed mode. Volume was strong, you see, the volume was strong, red day and volume strong, above the average. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, yeah, volume is strong. And last bar closed below all moving averages. MA20, like I told you over here, right? Remember when bars moved above, was positive, was bullish over here, but I told you MA20 below MA200. It is not good. And it came back. It suddenly came back and connected to MA20 because MA20 is very powerful line. Still no bearish crossover yet on the moving averages, no bearish crossover on MACD, only bearish crossover on RSI and awesome oscillator. Still, like two indicators still positive, two indicators negative. It's a 50-50 mode. We like when all indicators align in the same trend direction. Like on 1 hour, all indicators bearish, right? Awesome oscillator, RSI, MACD, and moving averages all bearish. Last bar closed below all moving averages. On 1 hour time frame is fully bearish because all moving averages, lines, and all bars below MA200, it is bearish trend. Unfortunately, it didn't close this gap, the gap above MA200. Large gap, it was not closed. It touched MA200 and was rejected. Bearish trend, bearish signal, 1 hour time frame for Dow Jones. Let's move to VXD volatility index for Dow Jones on daily time frame. Bearish on moving averages on MACD, bullish on RSI, and also oscillator bearish. Still bearish, still negative. It's a bullish for Dow on daily time frame. IWM. Let's move to IWM daily. Red bar, MACD bearish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator bearish, all indicators bearish. Interesting. IWM, Russell 2000 fully confirmed bearish trend. MA5 wants to do bearish crossover over 10. Bearish trend, it touched MA50. We'll see if MA50 will be support. Volume is strong. Bearish trend, bearish signal on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours time frame. Awesome oscillator red, bearish. RSI bearish. MACD bearish. MA5 moving averages bearish. Again, last bar touched MA100. It could be strong support. MA100. Bearish trend on 4 hours time frame. Interesting. Russell 2000 bearish on 4 hours and daily time frame. 1 hour time frame also bearish. Russell 2000 fully bearish on all time frames. Let's see weekly what's going on with Russell 2000. Weekly Russell 2000 bearish on awesome oscillator. On other indicators, it's changing from bullish to bearish reversal signal. Russell 2000 negative, bearish. Still above trend line in MA200, but has bearish signal. Apple daily. Apple daily, MA5 still above MA10, bullish signal, red bar. It didn't close below MA20, MA5 and 10. Still bullish, still positive. MACD still bearish. RSI bullish, also oscillator bullish. RSI wants to go bearish. Still positive signal, still positive bullish signal On 4 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame is the same, positive signal on all indicators, bullish signal on all indicators. On 1 hour time frame, it's different story. On 1 hour time frame, it is bearish on all indicators, right? MA5, it bearish crossover over 20 and 10, MACD bearish, RSI also oscillator. Bearish on volume above the average. Actually, yeah, let's move daily. Volume below, actually below the average. On daily, on 4 hours. On 4 hours, yeah, average. In 1 hour below, yeah. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla daily. Tesla daily, bearish crossover on all indicators. All indicators bearish for Tesla. Bearish trend daily, 4 hours. Same story, all indicators bearish. The last bar closed below all moving averages except 200 and 100, below MA50. Bearish signal on all indicators. 1 hour for Tesla. Bearish signal on all indicators except awesome oscillator green. RSI, MACD and moving averages all bearish. Last bar closed below all moving averages and below 200. Bearish trend on Tesla. BABA, let's move to BABA daily. Let's see what's going on with BABA. BABA is bearish, right? BABA daily still close below all moving averages. MA5 kind of flat. It wants to do some bullish crossover over 10. Bearish direction, bearish trend. MACD bearish. RSI still in oversold territory. Awesome oscillator green bullish. MA20 in the downtrend direction and wants to do bearish crossover over 200. It is bearish powerful direction. We'll see, it can be like bear flag, maybe it will accumulate and will continue to do bearish, or it will change direction to bullish. But based on the MA20, it wants to go bearish. It wants to continue to go bearish. 4 hours time frame. MA20 did bearish crossover over 200. It is bearish powerful trend, right? And all bars below, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. MACD bullish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator bullish. Mixed mode on indicators, mixed mode on 1 hour, on 4 hours time frame. But remember, MA20 bearish crossover. Did bearish crossover. On 1 hour time frame, last bar closed below all moving averages. MA5 did bearish crossover over all moving averages. Bearish signal. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator on 1 hour time frame. Bearish trend, bearish direction for BABA. But it was kind of flat. BABA was kind of flat for several days, right? From February 24. It is flat. It goes up and down, up and down. Still bearish with bullish divergences. Look at it. Actually, yeah. Price action is kind of flat. We'll see. Bearish trend. Okay, for BABA. Let's do summary. All indexes, they did some bearish reversal, but still on daily and 4 hours time frame, they're still in a mixed mode. 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators bearish. No full confirmation about bearish reversal signal. Only on 1 hour time frame we have full confirmation bearish reversal signal. Look at it on 1 hour for Qs and SPY and Dow Jones bearish reversal signal on 1 hour time frame, and Russell 2000 also on 1 hour time frame bearish. But on 4 hours time frame, mixed mode, 2 indicators bearish, 2 indicators bullish. On daily time frame also the same. Only the weakest index, it's a Russell 2000, it's bearish on all time frames, even on weekly time frame. Let's see how market will continue tomorrow. Will it change direction fully completed? Will make a full confirmation and full trend bearish reversal confirmation tomorrow, or it will be in a mixed mode. On 1 hour, it's a fully confirmed bearish direction. That's what we have. And tomorrow, remember, tomorrow we have Fed will have meeting again, we'll speak again, and we'll see, we'll do testimony. We'll continue to do testimony. We'll see what Fed will bring. I think it will be the same news. It will be the same statement, the same message, nothing new. Fed, they always bring the same message. They want to bring the inflation rate to 2%, and they will continue to raise rate until job's done. That's the message from the Fed, and for some reason market don't believe it. Okay, let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purposes, we are using only paper trading account. Thank you. Let's move to last page. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for my YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.